Hello my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of May 22nd through May 28th. So this will be the last week in May. And I am super excited because I'm going to be finishing up my floral designs that I've been using with these Dollar Tree floral stickers. So they're like the chalkboardy kind of ones. I've been kind of saving this one for the last because I think it's going to look really pretty because I want to use all of the rose ones. So this will kind of be like a rose themed one. So I have these really pretty kind of like border looking ones. This really pretty one with all the buckets and stuff. So I have those. I'm not in love with the cone. Not sure what that's all about, but I think I'll figure out how to use that one. And then I do have this All You Need Is Love one. I don't think I'm going to use the All You Need part. I think I'm just going to use the love. So, and then there are really pretty roses here in this one. So I've got a couple to choose from. I also have this one. I have actually only one sticker left on here, so I'm definitely going to use this one. So I have two of those. I could technically use both of them. But I'm super excited because I actually have one that's almost completely gone. So I'm going to be using kind of this rose, and then obviously I'm going to bring in the Chalkboard stickers like I've been doing. I have really been enjoying working with this kind of scheme, or, you know, this theme for the month, but I'm definitely ready to move on to more color. So next month's spreads are going to be really super colorful. All right, so I think I'm just going to go with the standard, put this on the side kind of panel, but I definitely want to think through what I'm doing because I do want to use these really pretty banner stickers. My thought process to maybe kind of use them like on the side somehow. Maybe like, I don't know, maybe because there's two of them. So maybe one here, maybe one at the top up here, maybe. I kind of like the idea of doing that. I think that's what I'm going to do. I am going to put this at the bottom and then this one at the top. So let's go ahead and, so if I put this over here, I think I'm going to want, okay, so I'm just going to kind of put this right here. I haven't been filming, I didn't have an opportunity to film many videos this week. So I filmed my last Plan With Me video. I filmed that not last weekend, but the weekend before, like a whole weekend before I had to load it because it was going to be Mother's Day, and I had something on the Saturday too that I was doing. Can't remember. I think I did something on Saturday. I can't remember, but I was going to be busy on those 2 days. So I was like, oh, I better film it now so I have time to upload it and everything. And so it's been a minute since I've actually filmed a video, and it feels like sometimes it's weird how awkward it feels. You know, if you think about it, I'm sitting here on my side of the table. I think I cut that too thin. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. You know, I'm sitting here on the side of the table, just literally talking to myself. So, I don't know, sometimes it just feels awkward, especially when you haven't done it in a while. But, and I don't really think I'm going to have a whole lot of time to film very many videos today. Maybe I might have some time because I definitely want to film my, I have an idea for, I want to film my One Little Word because I did not do that in April, and I do not want to be 2 months behind. Wow, that's really crooked. I don't want to be 2 months behind, so I definitely want to film. So I went to the Dollar Tree, as I do, and I found some more chalkboard stickers. So I went ahead and picked them up. I didn't notice that this one had a cut in it, which is kind of disappointing, but I could still use them. It's fine. But I do have more of these, so I'm really excited about that because I am running low on the ones that I already had. So I do want to try to incorporate as many of these ones as possible, just so I can, you know, have a completed sheet of paper. So I did use these in a couple of different layouts. I used them in my layouts last week, like this, and I didn't really like that because I didn't think that it gave me enough space to write in this area. So what I think I am going to do is I am going to use them, but I'm going to use them like this, like halfway, so that so it gives me like a little bit more space, if that makes sense. So I'm just, oh, that's right, I'm going to put the flowery sticker up there. So I do want to leave some room for that. So I think I'm just going to kind of use these as less little like half circles. So okay, and then for the weekend, since I'm going to put this flower down here, maybe I'll just put this one here, and then I can kind of go around it. And then maybe I'll put one up here. Erg. And then let's do one more, just so I can finish them off. Put that there. Okay. And then I do have this one that's left in the sticker sheet, so I'm just going to use it. All right. So, and then I have these two that I think I'll just end up using. I'm just going to kind of use them up. I mean, and I do feel like I need one more of these over here, so I do have these I could just cut. I think that's what I'll do. I mean, I have some already. I have like a whole nother pack of the squares, but instead of opening that, I'll just kind of I'll just cut this one, because why waste it? And then I can just round the corners. It's not going to look perfect, but it's all right. So let me just test this really quick just to see if I like that there. I don't think I like that there. I don't like how it's like going into, I think I like it better like on the side. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it better like that. Okay, so let's see. If I want to put it here, do I want a sticker right here then? I think I do, but it'll probably be a colored sticker because I think I'm gonna try to bring in some of these pink stickers from this. Literally, it's like my new favorite sticker book, and I wish I had more of them. So let's see, there's the pink, so there's this colored pink. Yeah, I've got quite a few of those, so I can bring in some of the pink. Okay, so that'll work. All right, so let's go ahead and go into sticker time. All right, so I'm all done. So I really enjoyed this month's theme of doing the flowers and using all of these stickers that I've been hoarding basically. So I actually have 2 clean sticker sheets. I went ahead and used these 2 from this one because even though technically I don't think they're roses, I'm like, you know what? They'll work. So I really have enjoyed using these, but I am definitely, after this week, I'm going to be glad I don't have to use them anymore because I'm definitely, you know, I'm ready for a change. So I am, but I'm super I think this one's really cute and I love the pops of pink. I don't think I've used pink yet. Well, I used a little bit of pink here and there, but all right. So I think I'm going to call this done. Yeah. So I hope that you guys enjoyed these videos. I will see you again next time. Bye for now.